Good evening. My name is Erica Sanderson. I'm a music accountant. This evening I had the privilege of listening to a podcast by Grow My Accounting Practice. The podcast was titled The Future of the Accounting Industry with Chris Ragain, who is a CPA, tax planner, and the software developer for Tax Planner Pro. So with this podcast, I learned a lot. We'll start with the legal trends that are common within the accounting industry. So with the rise of technology and software usage, accountants and tax attorneys must learn the following: how to automate data from one software to another for research purposes, how to read, interpret, and present data in court or during legal consultations, and gain authorization to view and report data to clients or third parties. Next, small business owners are being more open to doing their accounting themselves with the increase of software availability. That being said, tax attorneys and auditors should consider the likelihood of human error. Businesses of all sizes must compile clauses within contracts and employee handbooks regarding technology and software usage, stating who will be authorized to view certain information and who will not. Software companies must establish clauses within agreements informing clients of data sharing between different softwares. And software companies must also establish clauses relieving themselves from liabilities of potential data security breaches that occur internally and through other software. Accountants and tax attorneys, as well as business attorneys, must be willing to adapt to the increase of technology usage. So how could viewing this benefit anyone? Well, first, it shows you the importance of understanding innovation, basically understanding the necessity to learn and understand technology and developing technology for research and reporting purposes, understanding the importance of data security, understanding the importance of establishing terms and conditions regarding software usage, data sharing, data security breaches, and user authorizations, and asking yourself, where am I trying to take my business with the increase of the industry's software and technology usage? And also consider developing your own software. And how will I apply these key concepts to my own industry success? Well, first, I will advise business owners of the necessary steps in establishing data security. I will also establish clauses in my contracts relieving my business of the liability of potential data security breaches and the software that we use. I'm also going to learn to interpret, automate, and correct errors in data. I'm going to help people interpret and use data for the following reasons: to report their income to the IRS, to assist them with tax planning, to consult clients to answer to answer the question, how do I take financial information and turn it into profit? And finally, I will establish a separation of duties and user authorization within my business so certain employees do not have access to confidential information. This is the valuable information that I received after listening to the podcast by Grow My Accounting Practice. The podcast again was titled The Future of the Accounting Industry with Chris Ragain. This has been Erica Sanderson. This is my project. Thank you.